Hi, this is Jane Gardner of the Business of At-Home Business, and today is day 26 of the 30-day video challenge, and Webster has decided to say hello. Hi, Webster. He's way prettier than me. It's been a rather long day. I was busy editing my video for my course. I didn't think it would take this long, but unfortunately, I kept saying, well, I'm not re-editing the video in terms of audio, forget it. But I had to change some of the text because I kept saying personality instead of personal. And I'm supposed to be the authority on it, so we'll see. So anyway, I just wanted to mention I thought I'd try Internet Explorer with Google Hangouts, and it's actually worse than Google Chrome. Not sure why, but it uses up more of the memory than the XSplit. And of course, you know, why is there always 2 or 3 processes working for it? I don't know. It's very unusual. Bye, Webster. So this won't help any. So I will have to, I even turned off my wireless upstairs. So I bet you if I use the Office one, it'll probably work better for recordings. So I'm debating right now whether or not to do a little 3-minute on the air for my course, talking about personality and why you should know what your personality is for your business, because nobody wants to listen to someone who's talking with their lips are lagging. But anyway, today's my find is, oops, white. That's what it is. Let's try this. Interesting. I turned my light on, so I thought it would give more light, but it's almost too much light. Why aren't you more like me? Let's have a look if we go back. No. No. So we'll just leave it at that. Why Aren't You More Like Me? By Ken Keyes of CRG. Discovering the secret of understanding yourself and others. That's what I should have titled my course, but that's his title. So anyway, I'll probably add it in the summary. So I'd like to think that I knew something, and hopefully it will be useful to people. Certainly, it's certainly a lot of hours, so I'll have to add up the hours tomorrow and tell you. But I'll be loading it up tomorrow. Hopefully that'll work properly. And I just got to make a little quiz and make sure I have the handouts already and do a summary of the course so that it can sell it. I have to do a sales page. So what can you say? What was I doing all day today? I don't know. I didn't create any of them today. I created them yesterday and the day before. Today I was just looking at them and seeing if there was any mistakes I had to. I don't think I edited anything out really, because I was usually pausing quite a bit. But I did make that mistake with the personal and versus personality, and so I had to make some corrections in the typing. But imperfection is better than none. I gotta try and figure out how to focus this thing properly. Come on, Jane, you've got to get with it. When are you going to start Home Business Startup TV? Actually, I have a question into HostGator. If anybody knows how you can get a domain to point to WP Engine, I'd appreciate an answer. WP Engine doesn't do DNS servers, so what you have to do is you have to send the domain. You have to change the CNAME or the A text for the domain to point it to WP Engine. But of course, excuse me, the domains on HostGator just by themselves don't have a CNAME and A text, so I got a question in for that. so I can put that in and set up a little WordPress site for Home Biz Startup TV. So got lots to do. Yeah, luckily for me, I don't care about Halloween, so I don't have to worry about getting any kind of costume. So I got the rest of the week to do my real work. But anyway, I guess I should make a sign for that one called Your Personality and Your Business is what I'm calling it on tpcourses.com. For me, well, I guess actually I'm going to have to call it that anyway now. I've put it as the title page for each other. So forget knowing me and knowing you. I guess I'll tell boring your personality and your business for my title. So I'll have to make a new one for my Home Biz Startup TV. So yeah, it's been pretty crazy. So better go. So this is Jane Gardner of the Business of At-Home Business, and if you want to find out a little bit more about me, take my course. I talk a lot about myself on that one, which for me is very unusual. Oh dear, I'm going to have to figure out this. And this is my challenge. My challenge within the challenge is to try and figure out how to get this so it's, maybe I have to use another computer. Although really it's using only 70% CPU right now. So, and the physical memory is only 65. So it must be a lag between XSplit and something. The stream. Yeah, I better go look into that tomorrow. Google it. Okay, it was day 26 of the 30-day video challenge. I wonder what will be the challenge for next time. Trying to get my membership site up would be a good idea. But anyway, I'm getting some of it done. See you tomorrow.